Remove the bobbin case. Hold the 3 keys on the control panel and turn the power on. This puts the machine in test mode. Press Main Board Test, Picker Motor Test, and change the overpulse setting from 3 to 2. Move the picker to the rear by selecting Move Picker Motor function. Replace the bobbin case and change the overpulse setting back to 3. Then move the picker to the front using the Move Picker Motor function. Visually determine if the clearance between the bobbin and the picker tips is between 0.5 and 1.0 millimeter. If it is not, loosen the screw on the picker linkage and move the linkage in or out to obtain the correct clearance. Tighten the screw.